I managed to pick up a servo and master cylinder from a Sherpa. We're going to fit to the Triumph TR7. They were pretty crusty, but I honed the bore, gave them a good clean up, all new seals, coat of paint, and they were ready to bolt in. Let's get it fitted. Fitting is fairly straightforward. You need to remove this clevis pin from the brake pedal, undo these 4 bolts, 1, 2 on this side, there's one there, there's one at the top hidden in the shadows. With the parts out, you can see that the new servo, which is freshly shiny painted, is a bit bigger than the old one. And the new master cylinders look pretty much the same, but I've got to swap over the reservoirs on the top. That one to that one. But the master cylinders are basically the same. Bolt straight in, the same place where the old one came out. There you go, job done, as easy as that. Give the brakes a quick bleed, it's time for a road test. Seems to work okay, that'll do.